Hey, this is Captain Keith with MarineMax with another boating tip. What do you do with all that excess extra dock line that you've got when you come in? We just brought the 400 dancer back into the slip and got her tied off to the cleat. But I don't know how many times I go somewhere and it just looks like that. Doesn't look very appealing. There's a real kind of cool trick. What you can do is just make a loop with the excess line and push the tag end of the line through the loops that you're making. And if you make your loops pretty much the same size, it's going to look like a chain. Then it'll just look a little nicer when you take this and you just lay it out. Now the cool thing is when you're ready to leave, all you have to do is grab the end of the line and she's going to fall right apart, and then you're ready to go. For more tips and tricks like this, check us out online or also stop by one of your MarineMax stores or visit us at MarineMax.com.